Okay, so we have looked at how to add the various individual invoice adjustments. Now, say for example, you have a lot of students and you need to add the various adjustments to those particular students. Maybe they are in bulk. So, how you do that, you can decide to upload those particular adjustments. So, let's say for example, you have students in class 8 who are taking maybe swimming as an adjustment. So if you have like say 10 students or 20, so it will be advisable if you upload the invoice adjustments rather than just entering one by one, of which you can. So there are two ways. You can decide to enter one by one for the 10 students, or you can just decide to upload all the invoices for those particular 10 students. So how you do that, you go to finance, invoice fee adjustments, and then you click on upload invoice adjustments. So once you get to this place, you'll see we have the various instructions. So this will apply to multiple students. It will be done in an Excel file which will contain two columns, one for admission number and the amount, so like the one here. And also, so before you do that, you just select the various options from below, choose the file and click upload. So say for example now, let's look for a given student. So let's see how this can be done. If you have an Excel file that you have created, so let me just try and create one. So let me just try and create one so that I can show you how it works. Okay, so if you have a given Excel file like this one, so what it says, you need to have the first column to contain admission number and the second column to contain the amounts. So say you name this first column admission, and the second column we name it amounts. Okay, so with this first column will contain the admission numbers. So just add various admissions, and then we can add another one, that one. Let's have like 5. Okay, so we have the first column with the admission numbers, and now we add the amounts. So also when creating now this Excel file, remember now we are adding adjustments for one particular adjustment. So if you were to add adjustments for swimming or discounts or fee waiver or uniforms, we'll create the various Excel files containing the amounts, the adjustment amounts, depending on a particular adjustment. So for example, if this Excel file is for swimming, then we can't have the same Excel file containing adjustments of say music or discounts or something. So we'll create each individual Excel file containing each individual adjustment. So let's say we key in now, that's the amount. So now we have our Excel file with admission numbers and the adjustments. So we need to save this file. A very important thing when saving any Excel file that you're going to use in the system, it's important to save it as CSV. So we go to File, Save As, let's save it on the desktop. So you can say, you can just name it anything. Say it's swimming. That's the name. And then now we have this save as switch type. So save as switch type, we look for CSV comma delimited. So it's very important to remember when you're saving any file that you're going to upload in the system, it should be under this format of CSV comma delimited. This one here. So you choose that and then you click save. So to give you this, just click yes. With that way you will have saved this Excel file. So the next part is we go and upload the particular Excel file. Okay, so how we do that now? We go back to here, and then now we have created our Excel file with the emission numbers and the amounts. So what we just need to do is to choose the term, enter the year, it's an invoice adjustment, and choose, maybe let's say it's music. Choose the Excel file from where you had saved it before, and then we can enter any results. We can say it's swimming, and then we just click upload invoice adjustment. So you see that way you will have added adjustments of given amounts for multiple students. So it will be the same process. So if it's something like discounts or scholarship, then that will be a negative amount. So under the Excel file, all you have to do is enter. So if it's that 500, you just key in negative that 500 or negative a given amount, and that way, and then you click save. So all from there now you'll be able to upload the various negative amounts for the various invoice adjustments. And so that is how you'll be able to do adjustments, whether positive or the negative adjustments under invoice fee adjustments.